what you want to do is that you want to make sure there's no green, because sorry, I was done and now she want to be on camera. Yeah. I told them, you doing a session, you a therapist. I'll leave the link below. Oh no, you have to.
Is my mom that told you?
No. Alright guys, I guess I can talk normally now. I'm free in my house. No, but you know what? I want to do an ASMR. Fuck it. She's sleeping. Your mom is sleeping. Okay guys, focus. So I was out. How was your session? Oh my god. Okay guys. It's very, very important that there's no green. So I was actually going to open this one. But now I'm going to open this one because there's green on this one. So we're going to open this one. I'm so proud of you, Awa. Yeah. Oh my god.
It's actually not even.
I heard you kicking and I was like, she making noise. Oh, you gonna meet your best friends?
She taught me so much already.
Dude. Oh my god. Guys, Awa is available for sessions. Book it down below. I'm gonna leave the link. I get 10%, bitch. You understand me? Okay, the fruity community needs to heal. You feel me? Inside and out. Dude, let's go into business together. Yo, guys, I'm gonna heal your body. I was gonna heal your motherfucking soul. You feel me? Okay, focus. ASMR. Where did we get this knife from?
That's your knife over there. All the knives.
I never seen this knife before. Oh. Did you wash it? I didn't wash them.
Yeah, I've been using.
This is nice.
You've been using it too.
Oh. No, I never use it.
Crack. She's on fruity crack.
No, they cannot hear. It's right here. No.
She's on fruity crack.
No. Okay, guys. Let's go. We got the sugar kiss melon on deck. Yeah. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it fancy for Awa's mom. So,
Your mic is working, right?
yeah, my mic be working. Of course, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I did it. It's not my first rodeo.
Just checking.
Oh. Okay. So guess what, guys? We're gonna go like this. We're gonna do nice little balls, cause Awa's mom, she likes balls. Okay, you know what I mean. She told me the other day. Now, guess what, Awa? I went to yoga. I came home. I lied down. I slept for 4 fucking hours.
So you went to yoga?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I came home. I said, you know what? Let me just lie down. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I wake up. Y'all, thank God I don't have a job, because I swear to God, I'm gonna get fired. I gonna get fired.
She was like, oh yeah, she must be so tired. That's why she didn't do yoga.
No.
The bitch went to yoga.
I went to yoga. I came home. 4 hours. Okay, you know I'll make a video, right? Why are you wearing the same shirt from yesterday?
Because I was wearing a dress and then I didn't want to be like too sexy. So
Okay, because I noticed. I'm just saying.
this is just not what I
Oh, where'd you go?
TJ Maxx.
Oh, we're having a conversation, so I thought maybe you could talk into the mic. Okay, so TJ Maxx, what did you buy?
She's got jewelry.
Oh, nice. Do you have to go anywhere else? Okay, so guys, we're making these nice little melon balls, but you know what? I feel like I'm wasting some of the juiciness of the melon. So I'm gonna give her half, but like, I'm eating the other half because this is gold. This is fruity fucking heaven. You understand me? Oh, it's so juicy, sweet, and delicious, baby. And speaking of which, if you stink, if you like have body odor or you fart, I need you to understand you're not eating the right food, boo. You're not eating the right food. You're not supposed to stink. You're not supposed to fart and stink. When you go to the bathroom, it's not supposed to smell. If you are, then you need to join my course. We started yesterday, but officially it starts on July 7th. And by the way, if you like the ASMR, give it a thumbs up and let me know below if you'd like some more ASMR. I'm gonna eat the rest of this melon because this is too good to waste. Come on now. Did you guys ever feel like you waste food on carnivores sometimes? Because they don't deserve it. But the thing is that I love Awa's mom, but she's not raw. So I'm like, why should I waste this sugar? This motherfucker delicious ass. Delicious. Ugh, sugar kiss melon. I don't know. I feel a little bad saying that because she's so sweet. But like, she's not as sweet as the sugar kiss melon though. You feel me? You feel me, motherfucker? Okay. So there you go. She gonna get a little taste. Not too much. She gonna get, it doesn't look good actually. I need a better bowl. I think I need to put it in the, yeah, we need to put it in the watermelon bowl because it's not doing the sugar kiss justice. Oh, that rhymes. Yeah, that's better. That's better. That was the problem. The bowl. You know, presentation is everything. Okay, let me give her just, you know, that's enough. Fuck it. I love you guys so much. If you want to join my course, there's one spot left. If you want to join my retreat, there's actually 3 spots left, and the winner of the June Raw Food Challenge was chosen yesterday. It's just the plants, ma'am. And she's gonna be in Mother Fruity Miami with me on the motherfucking new beach. You hear me, boo? I love you guys. It's hard for me to do ASMR. It's really hard for me. I love you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Can I show them? Where you get those? TJ Maxx? Okay, y'all. The turtle is Awa's watermelon. You know what? Let me show them something, because they don't know. Hold on. Y'all don't know. I got fruit on deck. I got the watermelon accessories on deck. Y'all don't even know. Okay,